here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of feeling like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of cleaning, with dust and dirt piling up around you? Well, I've got some good news for you, because the Dirt Devil Scorpion Plus handheld vacuum cleaner is here to change the game. This powerful little device is designed to tackle even the toughest messes, from floors to stairs, couches, and more. With its lightweight design, you can easily maneuver it into tight spaces, and the quick flip crevice tool makes it easy to get into those hard-to-reach areas, like between the couch cushions or under the bed. The sound of the motor is surprisingly quiet, and the feel of the device in your hand is solid and comfortable, making it easy to use for extended periods of time. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice for those looking for a reliable handheld vacuum. One of the standout features of the Scorpion Plus is its easy empty dirt cup, which allows you to clean more with fewer trips to the trash can, and the result is a cleaner home with less hassle. Whether you're cleaning up after a messy pet or tackling a stubborn stain, this device is up to the task. With its multi-surface tools and extended reach, you can get into all the nooks and crannies of your home, and the powerful suction leaves your floors and surfaces feeling smooth and clean. Overall, the Dirt Devil Scorpion Plus handheld vacuum cleaner is a must-have for anyone looking to make cleaning easier and faster, so why not give it a try and see the difference for yourself? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.